Hello and welcome on my channel Infinity Plus. This is Koshal Sharma. I hope you all are good. So in this tutorial I will show you how to make table. So table is very simple and easiest design. So I will show you some concept and designs and some ideas, so how we can make easily a table, a nice table. So let's start it. First of all, we have to choose a sketch and plane. So now I'm setting the plane, and I will use a rectangle to make a sketch, and that is 150. And I want to increase the dimensions, so I will use a dimension tool. So this is length, it will be 1000. I will give the 1000. That is okay. Now for breadth I will give a 600, 600 mm for the breadth. So now I want to make some design. So for that I am making a rectangle inside rectangle. So this, I want to give a distance between first rectangle and second rectangle, that will 100 mm. So I am using a distance tool, dimensions tool. That's also be 100. That's good. And this line and this line, by selecting these both line, I can change the distance and dimensions, and it's looking good. Now it will automatically come in the center. So this is fine. Finish the sketch, and now I will extrude this design. So I have to extrude both these sketch. This is a single sketch, but I want to extrude both these rectangles. So I need 200. Okay, that will be fine for now. So you are saying the whole rectangle is extruded. So now I want to see the sketch. Yes, I'm selecting this sketch and reverse extruding. So you will see 20. I want to make a pocket. I want to make a pocket for a glass, which I have to put. I want to put a glass inside the pocket, the 20 glass. So now I want to reduce this distance. I think I want to reduce 100. Okay, click. That will be fine for me. Okay, you have seen that how can we re extrude and how can we cut some extra material by this method. And now I want to make a legs of the table on this side, so I have selected this, and now I have making a sketch, and this is a circle, 100 diameter is 100. Okay, on the other side I want to make a 100 again, that is okay, fine, and again 100, okay, and again 100, uh, 100, uh, oh shit, I have to write 100, okay, that that is okay. Now finish this sketch, that's looking good. Finish the sketch. Now I have select all these circles and extrude. According to me, I will give 600 distance. I want to make a long legs, 600 mm, and you will see this great. These are looking great. Squares. These are the foundation of this table. So now I will make a new sketch for the glass. So you will see, I want to inspect how much the distance, how much the dimensions I have to know for the glass. So 400 and 800, that is fine for me. Okay, so now I will make a sketch for the glass, selecting a plane. So now I will choose the rectangle, 2-point rectangle, 1 and 2, that's okay, same, finish. And now I want to extrude again, so I'm checking my sketch. Okay, that's looking fine. I want to extrude 20. Oh, it's giving some warning. Oh, object that you are creating is not visible, please toggle visible in the browser. Okay, now okay, that's fine. Selecting, now extrude minus 20. Oh, that's okay, it will be working, it's working. Okay, okay, new body. So I want to change the material. For this I am choosing a physical materials, and this is a glass, and glass is transparent, and glass cast clear. I am using a glass cast clear. You can see I'm selecting and dragging, and this is a fine. Okay, it's looking pretty. Now for the table I want to choose wooden color. So now scrolling, wood, so cherry, It's good, but I will check next one. This walnut, that's looking good. Yeah, good, good. Close it. Now you can see this looking nice, but the glass is not fixed yet now, so I want to fix this. So before this, I want to make component from the body. I want to make a component, and this component which I have selected, a glass and a table, and you can see I'm clicking, right clicking for this, right clicking and making create. You can see on upper section the create component from the body. Okay, I'm selecting it. Now this will be make a component, and I'm renaming it glass, GLASS. Okay, now next, table. For again I'm typing table. Okay, table. That is fine. So now I'm choosing a joint, ridged joint, clicking on this side, and I have hide the glass and this, and now I will show the glass this, that will be perfect and it will be fit. Now you can see this is looking a good one, and this. So that's a way fine. You can also make it, just do it yourself. And if you got any query, just comment on this video, I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like it, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.